So we're talking about small trees for gardens today, and we're starting off with this lovely Stewartia. It's one of the smaller species. So if I just pull out now just to show you its height, it's really not more than about 10 foot tall, and it's been in 15 years. So stays at a nice height for a garden. And then coming around here, that was a very nice Photinia there with very early spring leaves that are beautiful sort of pink variegated colour. And I just want to now zoom in on one of the little trees I've spoken about in the blog this week. This is Indigofera ambulantha. I don't know if you can see, it's quite a young one, so it's quite delicate yet, but it has these lovely little pink racemes of flowers, upright standing flowers. And it's very see-through, so it's quite, I put it in the middle of this bed and it'll be fine, we'll see right through it. Behind that we've got the big Philadelphus pumping out its scent, and then just spinning you around a little bit. There behind the pond we've got a crabapple, that's Malus transitoria, that I'm sort of training into an umbrella shape. And then just walking through the gap here, two others we could have talked about, Cornus Cusa chinensis up here with its lovely white bracts. I'll just go and focus in on one. I actually grew these from seed, so that's a nice cheap way of getting a garden tree. And then the final one I wanted to show you, one of my absolute favourites. This is the little horse chestnut, Asculus mutabilis penduliflora. It's actually just over its flowering now. We've just got the fruits forming, but it stays at a lovely height. You know, again, it's been in a few years now, and it's only about 5 foot tall, so perfect for a small garden.